Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should sign into your Google account and open Google Forms. This gives you access to templates and settings tied to your account. Once done, pick a blank form or a template. Templates speed things up when you need common survey structures. Make sure to name the form and add a short description so respondents understand purpose and time estimates. Start with required settings like collecting email addresses or limiting to one response. That prevents later cleanup and keeps responses organized. You'll now add and refine questions to gather the data you need. Choose the right type: multiple choice for single answers, checkboxes for multi-select, and linear scale for ratings. Then use sections and conditional branching to tailor follow-up questions based on responses, which improves completion rates. Make sure to mark essential questions as required and set response validation for emails or numbers so entries are usable. Once your question order flows logically, preview the form to confirm clarity. Now finalize and create the shareable link. Click Send, choose the link icon, optionally shorten the URL, and copy it to distribute. Make sure to set sharing permissions correctly, anyone with the link versus specific Google accounts, because that affects who can respond. Also toggle whether respondents can edit after submitting. If something goes wrong, preview as a respondent, confirm permission settings, and check that required fields aren't hidden by sections. This common issue blocks submissions and is quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.